Okay, so have you ever wished you could spice up your vocab? Sound super articulate and stuff? Well, you've come to the right place. This video is going to be your ultimate guide to expanding your English vocabulary in only 30 days. I know, crazy, right? We're going to be dropping a new word every single day, breaking it down so it's easy to understand, and showing you exactly how to use it in a sentence. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash the like button if you're ready to become a vocabulary superstar. First up, serendipity. It's like finding something amazing by pure chance. Ephemeral, meaning something that's fleeting or temporary. Deep, right? Mellifluous. It's like a sound that's super sweet and smooth like honey. Chapter 4, ineffable. Okay, this one's for when something is just too amazing to describe with words. Chapter 5, quintessential. It's like the perfect example of something. Chapter 6, nostalgia. That feeling you get when you miss something from the past. Chapter 7, aurora. You know those magical colorful lights in the sky? That's an aurora. Chapter 8, enigma. Basically, it's a person or thing that's super mysterious and hard to figure out. Chapter 9, ubiquitous. Okay, this one means something that's everywhere. Chapter 10, ethereal. Imagine something delicate, light, and otherworldly. That's ethereal. Chapter 11, cacophony. It's like a really harsh, unpleasant mix of sounds. Chapter 12, serene. The ultimate state of calmness and peace. Chapter 13, wanderlust. That strong desire to travel and explore the world. Chapter 14, euphoria. Pure happiness and joy like you're on cloud 9. Chapter 15, nostalgia. Remember that warm, fuzzy feeling of missing the past? That's nostalgia. Chapter 16, whimsical. Something playful, imaginative, and full of fancy. Chapter 17, opulent. Think luxurious, lavish, and super extra. Chapter 18, enigma. Like that friend who always keeps you guessing. Total enigma. Chapter 19, ineffable. When words just can't describe how amazing something is. Chapter 20, quintessential. It's like the most typical example of something. Chapter 21, mellifluous. Okay, imagine the sweetest, smoothest voice ever. That's mellifluous. Chapter 22, ephemeral. It's like a fleeting moment in time, so deep. Chapter 23, serendipity. Remember that time you found something amazing by chance? Total serendipity. Chapter 24, aurora. Those colorful lights in the sky? Yeah, that's an aurora. Chapter 25, ubiquitous. It's like when something is literally everywhere you look. Chapter 26, ethereal. Imagine something super delicate, light, and magical. That's ethereal. Chapter 27, cacophony. Like a super loud and unpleasant mix of sounds. Chapter 28, serene. The ultimate state of chill and relaxation. Chapter 29, wanderlust. That feeling when you just want to travel the world. Chapter 30, euphoria. Pure happiness and excitement. And that's a wrap! We just learned 30 new words together. I'm so proud of you guys for sticking with it. Hopefully, you're feeling super smart and ready to impress everyone with your newfound vocabulary. Don't forget to subscribe to Easy English for more awesome content like this. Bye!